It's Awesome Gamer here, and I'm showing you a new video of Hunger Games LBS survival, and I'm not doing a lot of videos because school and stuff, but I'm just not doing a lot of videos. And sorry if there's different noises because not me. It's not me, it's my family. Still a little kid. So yeah. Hope you enjoy this video and bye bye. Hope you enjoy this video. Okay, I'm back, guys. I just had to do stuff. And go. Here's the match. I'm in a match. But I have to do something real quick. Register. Wait. I'm gonna do this later. But put your comment down below to see how your day is, because I really want to know. And give me a comment what y'all want me to see me play. Hopefully it's a rage game. I don't like rage games, but you know how I am. I didn't realize that. Is anybody there? It's coming close. Did you guys see that? VP. I mean VIP. VIP. A very important person. Aviator. No, I don't think I'm saying it right. But hopefully he's doing a YouTube video like me. I'm looking at the sun right now. But seriously, put a comment down below. And I hope y'all like this video because I really take time to make videos for y'all. I really take time. And put a picture down below, seeing what picture gets the most likes of a skin. I will use it. I will. And keep on posting more and more and more and more pictures because I really want y'all to post them so I know you're actually watching it. My God, I want a stick right now. Running with the stick. Running with the stick. Running with the stick. I'm getting followed. Great, I'm getting followed, guys. But I don't play a lot of this. Okay. I'm back and I'm just really, I'm gonna be quiet most of the time because I'm really focusing because I die a lot. And no chest. What a waste of a building. What a waste of a building. Are you serious? Are you? I'm just plain serious. Now, I'm gonna go into the final match without. I'm gonna be empty-handed. Not like empty-handed. I don't have anything. I mean, like, I'm gonna be useless and die real quick. Oh, there's a chest. Oh, whoa. It has some good stuff. Dang. Go. Yes. Yes. No. So if somebody's laughing or not, brother. Okay, I'm gonna go to start so I can get an iron sword. First, how many seconds do I have? Didn't say. Oh, this is a good chest. This is a very good chest. Dang. 10 man line. Rain. I'm gonna find else. Okay, I'm gonna go to start. Come on. I'm right there. He's peeing there. He's not peeing. I'm gonna get distracted. We'll have 3 minutes left. Okay, that's there. Oh, great. Go. No, please don't kill me. No. How? No. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? One more match. 2 more minutes. Hi. How you doing? You doing good? I just have to register. Man, you're so mean. Hi, how you doing? I think it's only 2 players. No, I had a match that I defeated. Like, there was nobody there. I was like so happy. I was like, yes! But then I had to leave. Wi-Fi. It was bad. It was just bad. Who's that? Are you serious? The game will start in 30 seconds. And there's only 4 players. 4. Cuatro people. Cinco people. Yo no know Spanish. Run. Run. No, my gosh. Dang. Rain. That was fast. I'm gonna attempt to do parkour. 2 tries. Okay. So that's all I'm gonna do. Sorry if somebody's taking a shower. That's my tab. Sorry if someone's laughing. No, I'm not gonna do that. Gotta actually go for this one. And that one. And that. Yes. Yes, I did it. I did it. And then go up there. No. Yay. Hacks. Go hacks. You don't even... And almost jumped off. I'm gonna jump off, and then I'm gonna do it again. Okay? I'm gonna jump off and do it again. So, I'll see you guys whenever I'm there. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. See? I'm back. Back and better than ever. So I'm gonna get off. Actually, here's the thing. I want to show you whenever I get down and get up there. Okay, guys. So bye. Sorry for cutting out. Alright, guys. I couldn't get it up there. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video that I made about Hunger Games. So yeah. Have a great day and subscribe to Awesome Gamer. Goodbye. Have a great day.